G'day guys, just want to quickly show you these are the little tails that come with your fan controllers. Now, they are poxy. So I just want to get in nice and close. As you can see, they've soldered that. They've soldered it and then they've bootlased it. They haven't bootlased it properly. They've done the old automotive sort of guy methodology of doing the old bootlace and then crimping it down on the terminal. This one here is a ripper. Now, these come already pre-tightened up when we go to install these devices, and the manufacturer is always adamant that we must use their controller and all this sort of shit. This is the shit that comes with their controller. That was the money. That was the money ticket there for me. Yeah, look at that. Just really shitty soldered fucking joints. Yeah. It's absolute rubbish. Anyway, don't use them if you get them. Fan controllers, wire up your own. Hey doggy!